Did you know your body has a secret superpower when you're breastfeeding? It can literally borrow nutrients straight from your bones to feed your baby. That's right. When you're breastfeeding, your little one depends entirely on you for nourishment, pulling essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D directly from your body. And here's something most moms don't realize. If you're not eating enough of these nutrients, your bones start giving up their own supply, making them weaker over time. But don't worry, by eating the right foods, you can easily refill your body's nutrient reserves. This way, you'll not only protect your own bones, but also ensure your baby gets everything needed for strong, healthy growth. So, what should you eat? First up, dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, and paneer. These foods are packed with calcium and vitamin D. Aim for about 3 cups of dairy products a day. That'll get you close to your daily calcium needs, which is around 1,000 milligrams. Next, let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and broccoli. These veggies have calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential for building strong bones. Having a serving or 2 daily is a great way to boost your calcium intake naturally. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are another great choice. They provide vitamin D, which is important for calcium absorption. Having fatty fish twice a week is enough to significantly boost your vitamin D intake and help keep bones strong. Eggs are also fantastic. They give you high-quality protein for tissue repair after childbirth and contain vitamin D. 1 or 2 eggs daily can nicely support your nutrient requirements. Don't forget nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts all provide calcium, magnesium, healthy fats, and protein. A small handful each day as a snack or sprinkled over your meals is perfect. If dairy isn't your preference, you can go for calcium-fortified foods like almond milk, soy milk, orange juice, or fortified cereals. Just check the labels to make sure you're getting enough calcium and vitamin D from these alternatives. Beans and legumes like kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils are amazing too, providing calcium, magnesium, iron, and protein. Try incorporating them into your meals a few times a week. Another soothing option is bone broth, which releases collagen, calcium, and other helpful minerals directly into your body. It's fantastic for postpartum healing and gentle nourishment. For vegetarian moms, tofu and soy products, especially those fortified with calcium, are excellent choices. Including tofu a few times per week can really help meet your calcium goals. Lastly, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice give you magnesium and B vitamins, which support overall bone health and postpartum recovery. Eating whole grains daily keeps your energy levels up and helps maintain strong bones. Don't forget, getting enough vitamin D from sensible sun exposure or from foods is essential. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Also, eating colorful fruits and veggies regularly provides vitamin C, which further boosts calcium absorption. If you're concerned about meeting your daily nutritional requirements, around 1,000 milligrams of calcium and 600 IU of vitamin D, talk to your doctor. They might suggest supplements to keep your bones healthy during breastfeeding. Eating right after childbirth isn't just good for you, it directly helps your little one grow healthy and strong through breastfeeding. So take care of yourself, Mama. You deserve it, and your baby will thank you too. If you enjoyed these tips and want more easy ways to stay healthy after delivery, don't forget to follow along. See you next time.